sewing on friend. This video is being recorded while lying down because I don't feel well enough to sit up for half an hour right now, but I really wanted to do this video finally. I've been consumed with guilt for the last few months because this video was due up in April and it is now July. Moving back to Sydney from Tokyo really took it out of me, and then I got the flu, so I apologize for this video taking a long time to come up. I'm really excited to get into it. For the uninitiated, Make Thrift Try is a challenge that we host here where I set a challenge to create something to a theme. Last month's theme was gingham and plaid and mesh, and then you create something that fits that theme in any way. You'll get the idea soon enough. So let's open up Make Thrift Try 4 on Instagram here. What I'm gonna do is go over some of my favorites, 10 of my favorites from both categories. There's so many to choose from. Every time you all make it so hard, I want to showcase all of you. Number 1. All the Little Happy Things has made the most adorable two-piece gingham set. What they did was hack a Tilly and the Buttons pattern to make it into a two-piece, which is really cool because then they can be worn separately, how they're showing here, or together for a more kind of formal wear or full-on picnic look. What I really like about this is the black buttons that go right down the front that are contrasting but pull the whole look together. This is gorgeous. Quite a different style, but also using gingham, a pastel pink gingham this time, is this pinafore from Congrats Sunflower. What I love about this pinafore skirt is the ruffles there on the skirt. It really just brings this pinafore dress to a new level. Congrats Sunflower, this is gorgeous, and I'm sure that many people will want to make skirts inspired by this. So if you do, please tag Congrats Sunflower. I love this self-drafted pattern made from scratch crop top with a square neck from Ellie. I'm really into tops with square necks right now, so I would wear this in a heartbeat. And thank you very much for including photos of your process. I love to see process photos here on Make Thrift Try. Oh, also apparently they have a video on it, so if you want to see that, head to Ellie Instagram page. Looks like they make really cute clothes too. Cute. Something that I love so much about this challenge is that it has allowed me to connect with a lot of you who sew, who I just wouldn't have found otherwise. Like Lulu here. Oh my gosh, Lulu, you have outdone yourself. So if you remember last episode, this is the same person that put a painting of my face on a bag and did a full-on embroidery of Ella. Now they have made me and Ella into actual 3D dolls. Like, I am shook. And what I love is that Lulu shows like the full process of making these, which makes you just appreciate how much work has gone into them. Even though they've shown the whole process, I could never do this. I have no idea how you have done this. But it is the coolest thing and I'm shook. I don't know what else to say. I'm just completely shook. I'm so impressed. Oh my god, I just noticed this. Here, they've posed the dolls saying, I've recreated this emotional moment in my style. So this picture on the right is a screed cap where Ella just did something really sweet. She put her paw up onto my hand. I think she was asking for a pat. And they recreated this moment with dolls. We're wearing matching clothes. Like, could this get any better? Which is also from a tutorial I've made. And a beret, which is from this video. Like, I have to say, I just absolutely adore that someone really knows my videos, like, I think better than I do. Okay, so that's a little bit of a hard one to follow, but Star Lily Crochet follows it very well with this fully crocheted in a gingham pattern. I don't even know how you crochet into a gingham pattern. That is amazing. Fully crocheted gingham pattern backpack, which apparently took at least 20 hours. I'm sure it did, and has heart buttons to secure the top part of the bag there, and then is lined with botanical fabric. Ugh, I'm in love with this piece. Star Lily Crochet, you are so dang talented, and it is my goal to become at least half this talented at crochet. The next one we're gonna look at is this shift dress from Grolrog. I can't pronounce that username. Grolrog. First off, excellent flat lay. Secondly, I want this shift dress. And thirdly, this is really interesting gingham fabric. I've never seen anything quite like it. It's like rainbow meets gingham. And a shift dress is such a good piece because I really like how they've styled it here to make it more winter appropriate, but it would also make the most perfect summer dress as well because these colors are very summery. So this is an incredibly versatile piece and it's incredibly cute as well. And they use their own pattern, so that's like 10 more points to you. Not that we're counting points. Why do I always say this? Anyway, grog, I love it. All right, you all know I am such a sucker for matching outfits. And Maribel Sotosana has made the cutest matching combo for them and their dog. What is your dog's name? What is your dog's name? No, I need to know. I love this because they upcycled a men's shirt into a top to fit both them and their dog. And the dog shirt has this really cute little ruffle along the bottom. Oh, and they drafted the pattern themselves, which is absolutely fantastic. But like, matching outfits, oh my god, that's just the greatest thing about this. Like, I love the top, it's great, but I extra love the fact that you matched your top with your dog. You are fantastic, keep being fantastic, and please give your dog a cuddle from me and let me know its name as well. Speaking of matching outfits, EEE159 has made a really cute upcycled skirt to match these teeny tiny overalls on this super cute little doll. I have cute rage. And the second photo here shows what it was upcycled from, which I love seeing. The skirt was cut out from a thrifted blazer. And so clever. They have reused this top piece and the buttons from it to make these adorable, adorable tiny overalls. They're just so tiny, so cute. I have a really similar plaid shirt that I've wanted to turn into a skirt like this. So this also gives me a lot of ideas for that. I just can't get over how talented you all are. This is amazing. Here is a top that I just really, really loved the style of from Lida Etcheverry. I should probably just stop trying to pronounce all your usernames. Oh, this is the sweetest thing. This button here that they've put on it to decorate it is a heart-shaped button they got from their grandma. I love this. This is so wholesome. What I really love about this top, it's just like a kind of camisole shape, but I really love the addition of buttons down the front and the little pleats underneath. I might be borrowing this idea for my own top because I really like this. And finally, number 10 is this ruffled gingham wrap skirt from Osen Ken. I had no idea that I had people from Nigeria watching my videos, so that's really cool. And this skirt looks like the most fantastic twirly thing. I really love how the ruffles at the bottom puff out when you twirl. This is a garment with so much movement and shape to it. It's fantastic. And look, okay, this is number 11, and so that's one more than I said I would do. But Danny Sapphire made a dress for their guinea pig, and how could I not include this? Okay, now we move on to the second category for Make Thrift Try 4, which was mesh. Now, we definitely didn't have as many people doing the mesh theme as we did the gingham and tartan theme, but we still got some fantastic creations, and I'll show you my 10 favorite now. This one is just a fantastic upcycle. This person found a little piece of torn insect screen mesh in their attic. Instead of thinking, well, that's a piece of garbage that I'm gonna throw in the bin, they made it into a reusable produce bag instead. Now, that is the kind of thriftiness that we all should get behind. Nice work, Karen's Crafting. Chaotic and Proud has made the most gorgeous mesh layered dress. Look at this beautiful thing. This is for a Phoenix cosplay, and it's made entirely out of mesh curtains. Oh wow, you actually hemmed every single flame? That is dedication, but absolutely worth it. It looks incredible. It looks like it'd be so much fun to dance around in. I'm loving this upcycle from Rough Echo. From this dress comes this amazing lingerie set. Like, how is that even from the same garment? This was thrifted for 20 cents. And this lingerie set looks like it could have been from a fancy boutique. The placement of the fabric on the bra cups and the underwear is just perfect. By the way, if you want to know how to make a bralette and lace underwear, got a tutorial on that, click the link up here. After seeing this, I am so inspired and I want to get on my sewing machine straight away after I finish filming this, obviously. So Matita Matter here, I think this here is the inspiration photo that they wanted to use, Expectation, for this mesh skirt with flowers in the bottom. So let's hope that reality was kind. This looks amazing. Like, I'd say it's just as good, if not better, than the original. Wow, that looks like a lot of layers of mesh and tulle that you had to work with there, but worth it. That's incredible. I really like this because I probably wouldn't ever wear just a skirt that's just a short black mesh skirt. It's just kind of a bit too 2005 punky, but the addition of the flowers Now that's something I can get behind. I would absolutely wear this piece. The addition of the flowers, it really brings it into 2019. This is absolutely fantastic. Good work. Martina has made a beautiful blouse out of mesh fabric and this embroidered floral fabric here, which is also gorgeous. What I really love about this is the cascading mesh down here. It just turns it into such a fancy, interesting blouse. And I just love the sleeves as well. They're so pretty and floaty. Oh, this is a gorgeous piece. You should be so proud of yourself. Oh, this is Lulu again, because Lulu is the master of all crafts, coming in this time with some knit and crochet. I absolutely love the pattern on this. Oh, and there's more. Okay, Lulu, you're too talented. Get out. You're showing us all up. Look at this crochet mesh pencil cup holder. That's so cute. If you're not following Lulu on Instagram already, you should. All their projects are so creative and every time they upload, it just makes my day. Lulu, you're killing it. This person here, Venla Capalo. Oh, they've completed 2 challenges with 1 dress. So apparently the Sorry Girls have an ugly thrift store challenge up right now. And this is also an entry to Make Thrift Try 4 because they added mesh into their dress. So I love seeing what things originally looked like in upcycles. On the left is the original, a very 80s style jacket. And then on the right, they've made it into a really nice fitting dress. And then this is really clever, added length to it by inserting a mesh panel at the waist. This is so cool. This is just so inventive. I love it so much. All the things I made has made a really gorgeous mesh top. This has such a witchy feel and I absolutely love the lace embroidery on the sleeves. The place, oh, and they have a tie up at the back. This is absolutely gorgeous and I want one. SD Barracks here has used this absolutely gorgeous galaxy star mesh fabric to make a simple top. Now, I think this was really good choice to just make a simple top with this fabric because the fabric speaks for itself, right? So I really like the combination of just a standard t-shirt silhouette with this absolutely gorgeous eye-catching fabric. Nice work. And here is, it's Ellie again. This is a really cool shirt that they made out of their dad's old shirt. Was your dad's shirt the mesh part or is that the more opaque part from the middle? This is really cool. And yeah, apparently they have a YouTube channel where they have shown how they made this, which is really cool. So if you want to know how Ellie made this, you should go follow them on Instagram and then I'm pretty sure that link there goes to their YouTube channel. This top is fantastic. I think it has a square neckline as well. This is a really cool make. Thank you so much to everyone who entered and uploaded something for Make Thrift Try 4. Again, I'm really sorry that this didn't come out in April, but it did give some of you a chance to upload things that you wouldn't have gotten to otherwise. So, and I recommend that all of you go and check out the Make Thrift Try 4 hashtag because there's some really fantastic and inspiring makes and upcycles on there. Okay, now it is time for us to all choose a new challenge for challenge number 5. So these options are going to take a lot of inspiration from my Tokyo trends video and some of the fashion trends that I have gotten into in the past couple of months. Number 1, shirring. I am actually going to be uploading a how-to tutorial of how to shir as my next video. So if this wins as the theme, make sure you check that out for some tips. Warning, shirring is addictive and once you start, you'll want to shir everything. Number 2 is micro florals and just botanical theme in general. Number 3 is straw and jute and natural fibers that kind of look like straw. This is a major trend at the moment in Tokyo and around the world. Number 4 is stripes. As I mentioned in my Tokyo trends video, the Parisian look is very in fashion right now. And so of course, so are stripes. And number 5 is polka dots, including micro polka dots. Okay, so what you have to do now is vote for your favorite option out of all of these. And then in a few days time, I'll be back here and on my social medias announcing which one won. And that will become the challenge for Make Thrift Try 5. So when you make things from the new challenge, upload them with the hashtag Make Thrift Try 5 and you'll have a chance at being featured in my next video, which will hopefully be in 2 months and not 5 months this time. Thank you all for being patient with me. So I hope you've been inspired by other people's makes. Get creative and I'll see you all in my next video. Stay crafty, everyone.
Hi, it's me again. I know I already said goodbye, so this is very awkward, but I just couldn't leave this video without showing more of the entries and wonderful makes from challenge number 4. So I'm going to really quickly feature all of these amazing people and some dogs as well. I wanted to feature all of these in the main video, but just did not have enough time to talk about them all. Ugh, you all make it so hard to choose, and I feel so guilty for not including people. I want to just love you all because you're all fantastic, and we should all just get together, have a big sewing party together. It will be fantastic. It's been so lovely to go through this hashtag over the past few months though. Every time I see a few new uploads, I get super excited. So I really can't wait to see what people make for the next challenge. Not to influence the vote, but I'm low-key hoping that shirring will win because I'm obsessed with shirring right now, and microflorals would be my second pick. Anyway, that is it from me. For reals this time, stay crafty, and I'll see you later.
Thank you so much to the 600 Patreon supporters, the superhuman producers, and the small brands who are all a huge reason that I can make these videos available to hundreds of thousands of you for free. If you've learned lots from my videos, or if it's just the kind of stuff you want to see more of in the world, then vote with your dollars and consider supporting me on patreon.com/Annika Victoria as a member, or for a one-off contribution, go to ko-fi.com/Annika Victoria. Your support means the world.